Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how we can actually repost videos on TikTok to our own TikTok profile or TikTok account. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. So without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So in this video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually repost videos on TikTok. Now many of the times users are complaining that they are not being able to see the repost feature on their TikTok profile because most people are actually able to find the repost button, but maybe you are not being able to do so. Why that happens is because the repost is actually a beta feature. It has not actually been implemented fully by TikTok. So it may not be available on many regions, such as it could be the case in your region as well. And that could be the sole reason why you're not being able to see the repost button. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to install a VPN and then try to repost in that way. Instead, I'm going to show you an alternative solution on how you can repost TikTok videos. So for that, you want to make sure you have updated the TikTok application to the latest version. You want to open your app store. In the search box, you want to type in TikTok and make sure that you have actually updated it to the latest version. If there is an update button available, do not hesitate to tap on it. Simply go ahead and tap on update. So as we open our TikTok application, you can see this is how the home interface is going to look like. You also want to make sure that you are actually logged into your account. So in order to repost this video, on the right hand side of the screen, you will simply tap on the share button right over here. And as we tap on the share button here, many users will actually be able to see the repost button. But if you're not being able to see the repost feature right over here, it could be the reason that it is not available on your region. So in order to repost the video, what we want to do is we want to simply tap on the save video button, which you see at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to simply go ahead and save this video to my gallery right over here. Now as we save this video to our device, in order to repost this video, I'm going to simply tap on this plus or the post button at the middle of the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to simply tap on the post button right over here. And as we tap on post here on the right hand side, you want to simply tap on this upload button. And again, as we tap on upload, you want to simply select the video which you just saved to our device. And once we tap on that video, and you want to simply go about uploading that video in that way. So this was a very short alternative on how you can actually repost TikTok videos. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.